All right, what's good, people? Welcome back. 2016 Mercedes Benz C300. How to do the oil change and reset the oil life. Here's the latch right here. Boom. Let me show you how to open the hood, all right? Come on. Like any other Mercedes Benz, you see the red lever? Pull it down like that. All right. This car, by the way, has 50,000 miles. Okay. We'll see how the oil look like. All right, so engine oil cap right here. Ooh, smell that. Uh, not much. This is the oil dipstick. Okay, 134. That's the old system. Gucci 2016 2.0 liter engine. This is the brake fluid, windshield fluid, coolant, steering. No, this is another coolant. Intake, air filter, coolant reservoir, battery, auxiliary terminal. The actual battery is in the back in the trunk, as any other Mercedes Benz. Alright. Alright, let's go to the bottom. Let's drain this beauty. Pulse. But you know what? Before we go down there, let's do it right. We're gonna pop this just like that. Not because I want to show you how the engine looks like. Besides of that, put this on the side. The air filter is, the oil filter is right there. So I'm just gonna remove this baby. Turn it. Just like that. Pop. You don't even have to remove it here though. That's enough space. If you ask me. But if you want to get it out of the way, you could still remove it. Alright. This is enough space. Just pry it though. It's all plastic. Wiggle is gonna come off. There you go. It tells you the target specification for those freaks. Alright. This is my set. Low profile, 7 piece. You can get it in Amazon. I'm gonna try to put it all the tools that I'm using in this project. I'm gonna put it right below the video. It says product section. Just click on it and you see a list of all the tools I'm using. Yeah, that's 27. 27. Right? Just put it right there like that. Pop. Counterclockwise. Come off. Hopefully you can see that angle. Extension. 3/8. Ooh, a little bit dry. Whoever did the last oil change didn't put a grease in the oil ring. Here it comes. There you go. Here it is. So I spray clean this. Wipe it and all that. Um, I'm gonna grab the lock pick, that thing that you use to open doors. Psych. Just kidding, just kidding. Where's that thing? Grab this thing with you. Remove the oil ring. That's one. We don't need that. Second one. And as you can see, they different sizes, right? Just so you know, I gotta put it out there. Okay, because you know that's the other one. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna go like this. Okay. Shut all the way down. Gucci. Let me put it over here for a second. Alright. Can I put it there for a second? Okay. Now, this guy. This is what comes with the oil filter. Okay. You got the 3 O rings. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. You see this groove? That's where we're gonna put it. You see it. The groove is different from the other ones. You'll see it. Okay, the other one goes here. The other one goes there. Alright. They're different sizes. You see it. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. Here, I use the lock pick. Oh, this is a better oil ring. The other one was kind of like a toasted. That's it. Now the other one, the last one. Okay. Right there. That's it. Alright. Gucci. Now, if you ask me, remember in the beginning, couldn't. It was a little bit hard to remove. Well, maybe because the previous mechanic didn't put grease. I'm gonna put grease. Alright. Because I don't care if the car is coming back to me. I just do it because it might come back to me, and I wanted to be able to. I want the oil filter to come out easily. You know what I'm saying? Okay, pretty much. You know, put it back. If you're a torque freak, right there, it says the torque specification. Me, I'm just gonna turn it clockwise. Right there. I don't have to go Hulk on it. We're gonna put this back. Just like that. So ring. Gucci. Pretty much. Alright. And now we can go to the bottom and drain the oil. Let's get it. For this baby, what we're gonna do? We have 8 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Alright. For the oil drain plug, 13. Kind of long though. Pause. There you go. What you think about that oil? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. That's pretty much it. We're gonna let it rain. Drain. What you think about that color? 3D color, huh? Anyways, let it drain. Let me give you a tip. If you want to drain most of it, run the car, warm it up, then drain the oil. And if you're one of those freaks that want to drain till the last drop, do that at night, over the night. You know what I'm saying? And first thing in the morning, all the oil must be gone. Right? Most of it. Otherwise, on the other hand, if you want to like do it right away, you don't have time. Uh, run the run the car, warm it up, put some diesel where you put the oil, let it idle for a minute, then drain the oil. Most of it is gonna come out, all right? Because the diesel is gonna rinse the everything inside the engine. Okay, pretty much. Once I'm done draining the oil, I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back and tight it. Put the cover back. I have a few options for uh, a few brands for this type of oil filter. You see it with the part number. The one that I did is Pronto. That's the part number PO99064. Okay. The other options, Friend Tough Guard. That's the part number CH. Blah 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 blah. Mercedes Benz. That's the part number. You gotta go to the dealership. Mobile One. You can get it from Walmart, or your favorite auto part store. Pretty much. You drain most of it. Put it back. Washer. This oil filter doesn't come with a new washer. The washer should be good, okay? Unless it's destroyed, then you gotta replace it. Right? Don't play with me. It's a lot of people saying, but you didn't change the washer. The washer looks fine. So stop playing. Tight it, snug it. Let's go. For this one, 6.9 5W30 synthetic. 6.9 5W30. This is another. The rest, Gucci. And put everything back. There we go. Forget the cap. Start the car, let it run, stop it. So the oil go through the system, you know what I'm saying? Stop the car, pull out the dipstick, clean it. Supposed to be right here. Okay. You see the last line? Right there. Right there where it says match, right there. Yeah, right here. So you put it back in, pull it out. Right there. What did I tell you? Right at the money. Okay? With Gucci. That's what we're doing. Pretty much. What's up, Joy? We're done with this. We close it. Let's do the oil life reset. All right, reset the oil life in this baby. All right, so we're gonna press this once. Try to have it right there at the mileage. Now, okay. Then we're gonna press phone and okay. All right, something like this. Let it go. You're gonna see that image. Scroll down with this. Go to Assist Plus. Press OK. Switch on ignition. Press it again. You're gonna see that. Now scroll down. Full service. Okay. Scroll the way down. Okay. Confirm service. Yes. Confirm. Full service could not be carried out because I did already. But this is how you do it. Okay. And just go home. That's it. Start the car. Car running right now. You're Gucci. All right. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu Burun. Not necessary to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. Okay. If you want to show some love, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super tense. Click on it and it's going to ask you for a tip. Same as the restaurant. It's going to ask you for a tip. You want to show some love, you know what to do. What I did with the support from y'all, better camera, microphone. That's why you see this video as like you're in the front seat. You know what I'm saying? 4K, 8K. I do all that. All right. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. It's me, Stu Burun. Out the